Hey, welcome to day number 31 of me learning how to skate while wearing a suit. Hoo-yah! Hey guys, so last week I was real excited to get back outside to skate, right? And look at this freaking snowstorm Monday. I wake up to this nonsense. Look at this. And the park had just cleared up. I was like, I'm gonna be able to go out to the park, but nope. Look at my surface. Can't even walk out. Can't even walk out to the terrace. Snow is all piled up. Ridiculous. The universe does not want me to learn how to skate more, man. Look at this. Ridiculous. This is my Monday, and if so much was melted. So much was melted, and now look at this. So yeah, I still gotta be inside a little bit, but I am perfecting the tricks though. But yeah, not able to go out. So here I am. I'm working on tic tac and the kick turn and the manual. Kind of getting them good, you know. Kind of going all right there. See, kind of. Almost got the manual there. Hey. Kind of got it there. I'm getting it there, guys. Gotta have patience, man. Gotta have some patience there. And very, much more comfortable on the board. Definitely. Oh, kind of knocked into my wall, my temporary wall there. But yeah, definitely, you know, getting very close to be able to doing good manuals, and very comfortable about to do the kick turns and tic tacs. See, do a bunch of tic tacs right there. Yeah, I'm doing better. Oh, not right there, but I am doing better. See, tic tac, left, right. See, kick turn, kind of. I messed up at the last second. I don't know why. Hey, see, kind of got the manual there. Hey. Yeah, guys, I am getting it there. Thanks for tuning in to day 31.